Are you ready to nail party? Hello, I'm Tammy Taylor, president of Tammy Taylor Nails. I'm so excited you are joining me today. We are going to have so much fun. Now let's get started.
Sanitize your hands and your client's hands with Sanitize, available in peach or gardenia. I will be making a hot pink Dazzle Rocks Prisma using pink Flamingo Prisma and white Twinkling Stars Prisma. I will be mixing 2 parts white Twinkling Stars and 1 part pink Flamingo. These are Prisma powders, so I don't need to add clear. Okay, we'll do our powder first. 1 of those. Doesn't have to be perfect since it's already all pre-mixed. And 2 of the white Twinkling Stars Prisma powder. There you go. Then you just mix it up. Super easy. Now I'm going to etch the nail with my disposable 100 grit purple Terminator etcher. Just stick it on and you're ready to go. Now I'm going to remove the polish with my fast acting polish remover, available in peach or gardenia. Now I'm going to etch the nail, going with the way the nail grows. Put little scratches in the nail. Properly etching the nail eliminates 75% of lifting. Make sure there's no shiny spots. Go with the way the nail grows. Push back the cuticle. Now I'm going to use the pterygium stone to make sure that there's no skin that's grown up on the nail. Push back the cuticle. If there's any skin that's grown up on the nail, this will cause lifting. Now I'm going to dust off the nail using my plastic manicure brush. And this can be disinfected. Now I will be applying non-lifting nail primer, and I always have my primer in a primer holder and a little towelette so I can dab off my brush. I prime the nail. Make sure you don't get any on the skin. And then dab your brush before you place it back into the bottle so you don't contaminate your primer. The first coat of primer I'm going to let dry. This kills the germs on the nail and dries out the oils in the nail. I will be using my Competitive Edge Custom Original Double Thick Extra Long Nail Form. Just split it. And hold the form with my thumbs facing my client. Put a curve in the form by rolling it. Place this curve underneath the free edge. Stick down the sides. And then stick down the wings. Secure your form. My first coat of primer dried. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of primer. Dab my brush so I don't get too much primer on the nail. I want my primer wet when I apply my product. This makes a great adhesion. It helps eliminate lifting. I will be using Go To Pink for the nail bed and the free edge. Dip your brush in, wipe it away, drag towards you. This is going to be a medium to large ball. Place this ball halfway down the nail bed, pat it out, side to side. Pat it over to the side, bring in the side, bring in the side. Stroke it out. You want it nice and thin out at the tip, so when you do your fade, it goes in there really nice. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in, wipe it away. This is your cuticle and stress ball, small to medium ball. Place this ball 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle. Let it flow. Stroke it out, side, side, center. Wipe off your brush. Now I will be using my hot pink Dazzle To do my fade, my reverse fade from the free edge, dip your brush in, wipe it away, medium to large ball. Place this ball onto the free edge area, pat it across, turn your brush around, flat brush, start stroking it back towards the nail bed. So pretty and super easy. Bring it in. Even up your tip. Wipe off your brush. Now I will be applying crystal clear over the top so I don't file off my fade. Dip your brush in, wipe it away, drag towards you, about a medium ball. Place this right where your fade is. And then just stroke back towards the cuticle a little here. And then towards the free edge to seal your fade. So pretty and so easy. The perfect summer hot pink dazzle. Love it. Now I'm going to squeeze my C curve. Start down at the nail bed. Work my way out towards the free edge. This is a tapered square. This makes the nail nice and narrow and really strong. I will be using my disposable clean finish buffer and my disposable 180 grit long lasting zebra. Super easy. Just peel off the back and stick it on. And then when you're done filing, just throw it away. I'm going to score the edges of my file so when I file around the cuticle, it's nice and smooth. Then I can just dispose of my etcher. Remove the form. I like to pinch it and then pull it down, and it comes off a lot easier. I will be filing the nail in 5 steps. My first step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the left. My second step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the right. My third step in filing is shaping the tip of the free edge. This is a square, so I hold my file straight up and down, hold the fingernail securely, and go straight across. Fourth step in filing is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. There's a little road around the cuticle area where you have a product, natural nail cuticle. I'm going to place my file in that little road and file the product flush with the natural nail. Down on the side like a horseshoe pattern, down on the side, across the top, and down on the other side. And make sure you don't over file because you don't want to file off your fade. Step number 5, turn the nail around from the client's angle and bevel down towards the tip. This is the angle the client's going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks, and you want to make sure it looks beautiful from their angle. Again, make sure you don't over file. Let's get a nice shape there. Make sure it's nice and even. Now I'm going to buff the nail using my clean finish buffing file, and this buffer is made out of material, so you can use it wet, with oil, or dry, and it doesn't leave any grit on the nail. Buff the nail, go around the cuticle, make sure the product is flush with the natural nail, get it nice and smooth, out towards the tip. Take off the sharp edges. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. This is my favorite part. It's like magic. I will be applying Top Gel Plus, a super high gloss non-yellowing top gel. Nice long strokes. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. So easy and so beautiful. Cure 30 seconds in a Mighty Mini LED, 45 seconds in a regular LED, or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to clean off the nail with Clean It. Now I'm going to apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach or gardenia. This is a great product for all your clients to have at home. It's wonderful for your cuticles and for the natural nail to keep it nice and healthy. Gets rid of dry cuticles. Now you have your hot pink Dazzle Rock Summer Fade.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.